welcome to the channel. So today is my character. I swear this not here. I got it to poopy. Oh now I have wings. With my grass. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like my video and don't forget that it's subscribe and, and, that's all of today. There's Sam from 100. Wow, this is not quiet. This house is not quiet. So, what did I click? What did I just click? What did I just click? Hurry up. I just want to see what I just clicked.
It's survival mode.
Watch. Donkey.
Tayo sa swamp.
Look at me.
Yo.
Look at me.
Yep.
What's up?
Go.
But swim muna tayo a little bit here. Where are you, Bunso? Bunso, a skeleton is hitting me.
Girl. Don't worry.
Underdog. Let's try the maze forest. Where are we gonna go? That is gonna be the secret. Let me see. Ocho, let's mine some stone later. Because I love mining them all. Yeah.
Forest.
So long time ago, big here. We need to sing underwater. Yeah, I'm just right behind you. I'm just singing underwater.
Nice. Land.
Can I see? Wait.
Nasa beach na tayo, Papa.
Let's go in the beach. Hooray! Let's have a swim a little bit in this beach. Let's have a swim in this beach.
Nice beach.
Let's swim in this beach, Bunso.
Yep, let's swim right here. Oh,
I'm so wet.
may ano to? May turtle, Baba.
Let's see.
May baby turtle din. Baba, look, may baby turtle.
A
Oh, may baby
cute
turtle.
baby turtle. Let's sink under. Bunso, let's go under down.
It's dangerous. Down. May mga zombie, zombie Aquaman. Excuse me. Right under.
Wait,
Ayun, meron mga
I'm
zombie.
mining some watermelon. What's a watermelon? What's up? What's up? Look at me.
Diyan kayong dalawa.
Can you come here? I found some watermelon.
Let's go, may hotel. It's not dami na sa mga.
Where are you?
Dali. Dali. Dali na. Dali. Bunso, ayun ang sinabunso. Go. Dali.
Look at me. Can you fight those?
Let's go sa land. Let's go. Ba't meron pancit na yan?
What is? A turtle! What's up? Is that a turtle?
Go,
No.
go. What's up? Hurry up.
Yo, what's up, dude?
Ito na, may bird na baba. Oh. May seed ka dyan. Pakainin mo. Para maging pet mo siya.
Yeah, I
May
have.
seed ka?
It's
Wala
on my
ka.
chest.
Oh no, sa chest. It's okay na. Let's go.
I want that to be my pet.
Hindi mag-mine ka ng mga glass.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna just. I mean, I don't have.
Ano? Sa baba may mga seed.
What's up? I'm gonna give you this
Uy, may
watermelon.
panda rin.
What's up? Wait, I'm just gonna put the watermelon down.
Just
Get
put
the
it somewhere, Nababa ko na. May bird dun, baba. May panda dito, baba.
I don't want to take the. Okay, Bunso, can you hold this a little bit?
Go.
I'm gonna get some seeds. What's up? Can you hold it?
Go. Get mo ng seed. Pait mo sa mga set magustuhan nila, Eddie. Set mo.
Where's the bird?
Ito. Baba kami. Ito, nagpa-play, oh.
Wait, calm down, bird.
Ayun doon, sa blue. Ito. Baba.
I cannot see the bird. I cannot reach
Ito, baba, ito.
her.
Ah.
A villager zombie! Oh.
Ayaw niya ng seed natin. Maybe ibang bird na lang, baba.
A zombie!
Come here, follow me.
Wait, I'm just scared.
Follow me.
I'm gonna off this zombie.
Wala naman ng zombie. Let's go.
Bunso, have this. Bunso, have this.
Dali, kunin mo na yung Just leave it there.
Oh, that's nice.
Go.
Kasi maliit na yung
Hurry up, can we go home?
Nope, we're gonna explore.
But I need to put this chest.
Wait, we need to find a new village.
Teka lang, stop muna, bunso. Wait a second, stop. Let me just... I don't need to...
ang picture niya. Ang picture nila.
Oh.
Don't take off anything. Just go.
Mm-mm. Yes.
Don't touch it.
Even though where you are.
Just follow the dot.
I'm following. Bunso, stay here a little bit in the sun.
Yep.
Stay muna tayo dito.
No, you come here sa akin. I'm gonna go somewhere. Go somewhere. Wait for me there.
Really? I'm sorry. Don't go. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Go.
I want to put this in the chair. Okay, can you me punch? Bunso, can you punch me? Bunso, teka lang. Stop muna. Come here. Wait for me.
1,050 daw.
Teka lang, Bunso. Can you me? Punch me and I'm gonna put the watermelon and then me, Bunso.
And you go doon. Punta ka dun sa may baboy.
You just punch me.
No, punta ka dun sa baboy.
Hindi,
Para
punch me.
so fast.
Punch. No, you just punch me.
No, punta ka dun sa baboy.
Punch me.
Give it to me na nga. I told you to go sa babos eh. Ngayon na ba kailangan? Ha?
Tapos tapos set mo ko doon.
Oo na.
Reset me. Reset me. Okay. I don't need to do something, but
Do something muna dyan. Maganda teleport sila. Okay?
Don't monster love. This 100%. And punching. Okay, let's punch the wood. Let's find some trees. Is there any trees here? Great. Now there's no trees. More, more torch. I want more torch. Perfect. Great. Wait, now it's raining. Bro. Mama, mommy, help me.
Huwag daw masyado malaki.
What's yours is darker than mine. Bunso.
We can go.
Just keep it open. 1, 2. I'm
Talking what kind of people?
okay. It looks so clean now. This check what's inside in my playbox. TNT, no. Firelight TNT, no. Underground, no. This slab, no. Slide, no. This is no. All of them is no. Look in my brother's chest. Oh, what is that? What is this new? What is this new? Ano?
Lapis lazuli.
Lapis lazuli. Lapis lazuli. We can make some. The new block. You have kids.
Correspondent transport law.
I cannot get my hair, my beautiful hair, and my beautiful stockings wet. I'm staying inside. Wow, still raining. Our door's not getting wet because it's made of no waterproof door. Yes. Dun, dun, dun. Hooray! Wow. I get myself with. So let's take it back. What's that?
Main portal again.
That's perfect room. I'm so clean. Let's check inside my play box, in my play chest.
Yeah, look.
A mushroom cow. I want to look at that. What is that?
This is the mushroom.
I want to go there, but you didn't honor me.
Okay, you want?
Yeah.
Ready? I'm not done exploring yet.
Also, alam mo, can I see the mushroom cow?
Oh,
There's a lot of mushroom cow. What are they called with mushroom cow?
come here.
What are they called?
Hindi mushroom pa.
Mushroom cow. So
Ano kayang meat niya?
still that.
Ayun lang.
Why did I have din ng sword na gano'n? Yung Chinese sword na gold, bunso.
Later.
Meron din ako. Look.
Ah, yes. Meron ka rin.
What's up? What's up? Don't have this. Have this meat. I don't want this chicken. Don't this.
Nagkaroon ng ano, villager creator.
Tingin. Oh. I just have it. I'm gonna give it to the villager. Here's the one. Here you go. Have it, Willie. You keep having it. Bunso, the villager Bob don't want it.
The villager creator Bob.
Let's trade it. Bunso, look. Look, I have.
So far away already. I have to find a new world.
But look at this. I have villager trade with me.
Nice.
Trade. Let's trade
I want
again.
an underwater temple.
Let's add again. So, 1, 2, 3. Hi, Mushroom Cow. You want to be my best friend? Your name is gonna be Mushroom. Mushroom, you know what?
I'm mushy.
No, I want mushroom. I want mushroom. Mushroom, wait, mushroom. Mushroom, Wait, mushroom, is that you? Okay, it's kind of you. I'm sorry, mushroom. It's okay. It's not so hurt. Mushroom, you know? You are my best friend forever and ever. I love you. I kiss you, mushroom. Mushroom, wait, mushroom. And wait for your bestie. Look, I got a pickaxe so we can mine. Wait, I'm gonna mine this dirt. Wait, I'm gonna mine the dirt. You know, mushroom, you're so. My bestest.
Very
Ah,
much.
ah, merman zombie.
Puro balat lang pala yung mga ano.
Ayoko pa po. If you want to. Oh no. I saw a merman zombie. What's it look so far away? Wait, once I'm still mining some dirt. What are you doing? What are you doing, Bunso? Bunso, ano ginagawa?
Finding ng
Okay.
four, five, six, eight, nine. I'm gonna teleport to the
Teka lang, Bunso.
village. I'm not yet there. Yung pansat?
But I saw a merman
Kahit
zombie.
hindi na.
Mushroom. There you are, mushroom. 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 Is that you? You look like that mushroom. 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 Where are you, mushroom? Mushroom. Mushroom. Bunso, look, mushroom. I'm filling it up so I can. What are in this mushroom cup? I can do it. Mushroom, mushroom. Mushroom. What's the red mushroom? Okay, mushroom, mushroom. You mushroom.
Ito yung mga tinangka.
My gifted. Okay, so it's mushroom. I just did some murder. So we can perfect.
Oh, I found the frog.
A white frog.
There.
Finally, the rain stopped.
Finally. We're safe. Bye-bye from the orange.
An orange.
Orange plant.
I want to go there.
You want to come with me?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go sa... Are you collecting lots of mushroom?
Teka, I'm just collecting ng mushroom. Okay, I'm done.
Are you gonna follow me?
Yeah.
Nang sobrang fast?
Mm-mm. So, I love this. Can I mine everything here?
Okay, sure. This is terracotta.
You can mine some red terracotta. I want red terracotta. Let's get my pickaxe. Are you gonna mine yellow terracotta?
Nope. I'm just gonna find a new village.
And you just stay here.
No, I'm just gonna teleport you. Pagkadal na. Doon ka na. 9 ka lang dots ha. Para makagara tayo. Lots of. Very, very.
I'm gonna teka lang. I'm gonna give you the the 10 terracotta blocks.
Wala na. Bye-bye. It's okay. Fine. Just we're near the village. I can feel it already. I can feel the village is near.
I'm gonna follow you
blocks
first.
more.
I'm gonna build a house here.
Or maybe dun na sa malapit sa village.
No. Perfectly to make it upright.
What? Bye.
I'm just gonna build a simple. The red. Punta, you didn't see this cute animal.
Armadillo. I found it. So, Savannah Village. I'm
Good.
near the Savannah Village.
Are you there na?
Yes.
Can you let me go with you?
One minute. Just gonna teleport.
Nike. Ooh. I want to follow you now.
Baba. Baba. Yeah.
Kaya punta. Dito jumbo. Oh, 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 oh. So.
Oh, don't touch
What? The what?
the beds. Okay?
Why?
Six things.
You try to touch it. What happened?
Oh, no. Six things. I love this feeling.
But I want to touch the bed, but I cannot touch it. Bro,
Baba, may emerald.
I want it.
Dali, come here. Pwede mo rin yung mga top.
Huh?
Dito, Baba. I'm here. Paligod ka. Baba. Just a chest. Pwede mo yung emerald.
Dito?
Yan. Correct. Oh.
Torch. I cannot get the torch because my torch is so full.
Nice. I found the couch.
What should I take off? I just get rid of this. So, Ninyo ko to give this.
Hey, food yan.
But I don't want it.
I don't want sorry. Flash, locate, capture.
Ano kaya to take off?
Anong gusto mong find natin?
Ito lang. Titingin ko kung ano to take off ko.
Right here.
I'm golem. Sarah and that flower. But I'm adding some yellow flower. This is not Bunso, think what is the best spot to add this for flower?
Dyan.
Get
There. And
Senpa.
there. And dun. Yan. Dyan.
Senpa.
And dyan.
Tapos yung last one.
Dito. Yan.
Dito.
Nope. Dyan. Yan.
Wait lang. Try
Sa
natin.
middle.
Ito.
Oh, bawal. Dito na. Yan. Dyan.
What? Where's the red house?
I'm gonna go somewhere.
Don't go far away, huh?
I'm gonna go somewhere very far.
No, Bunso. Don't go far away. What is this cow? What is this cow?
That's a bull cow.
Bull. What happens if I hit it?
Okay.
He doesn't hit me.
Yep. Really?
So deep. Look at this,
Yes.
Let's try to go here.
Oh, my God. Nice cat.
Can you try to go there?
Nice cat.
But so, where do you find that house?
Dito sa daan. Find the blue dot.
I'm under you now. I can already see you there. The white. So where are you? I just
Pwede pa tayo magsakay sa horse.
Ano sabi mo?
Pwede sakay na sa horse.
They have one. They have one na ganon. Yung saddle. For me 10. Can you give me 2?
Plus,
Sino bumili pala nun? Ikaw? Tsaka yung cake?
no, please, no.
Hindi, sino bumili doon pumunta?
Yo. Madali, sakay ka.
Where do you want? I want to go.
Okay.
Bakit ang fast sa akin?
Oh, because it loves you.
How about you?
Oh,
Kasi
kasi he loves me very, very much.
very much. Teka lang, Bunso. Can I follow you?
Ako na maghugas dyan. Sige, bibili ko yung
More emerald dito ba? Get it, please. Or I'm gonna get it
No, I want
myself.
it. I want it, Bunso. Give it to me.
It's a story.
Sa video na nga, baka ang tagal ng upload mo na.
Bye, guys.
No, Bunso.
Sa video lang.
Bunso, give me the emerald.
Emerald.
Hurry up.
Or,
Hmm.
where do you want to go?
I want more emerald.
Emerald. Come here. Where's the horse? Hey, where's the horse? Come here. 4 emerald for you. Okay, good.
Look. I got 6.
Oh, so dami. Ay, ang cute ng small kitten. Oh. Kitten.
Can I see?
Kitten. The orange cat. The orange cat.
What a cute kitty.
The orange cat. Having orange cat.
More rice. Sarap na, sabaw.
Bye.
I'll get more rice.
Look at your shires following you. Look at your shires following you. Me too. I want to teleport with the horse.
Cherry.
Blossom tree.
Only 11%. Goodbye, guys. We'll continue finding a cherry grove forest tomorrow. Bye. We love you guys.
Just like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.